What's going on, gang? Um, Brett Patrick here. Good boy, gutter protection, North Carolina. Gutter cleaner, you out here getting a gutter guard job done on this busy road. And just gonna come out here and talk with you guys, man, real quick while I'm out here getting the job done. Just taking a quick breather. But anyways, what I wanted to come to you today with you guys is this. In the comments, I get a lot of people asking and talking about, what's the best way to start? What's the first thing I should do in my business? All these types of things. And, when I'm out here doing work, I have my headphones in. I listen to podcasts all the time. And I just heard something, man, and I just wanted to bring it up. It's pretty much what I've been kind of preaching with my proof of concept phase and all that stuff, but it was just said in a way that it really hit home for me. It kind of really made a lot of sense, and I'm hoping that maybe it'll be clear for some of you guys that maybe don't interpret what I say the best way or whatever. But he's talking about what most people do in businesses. They care about the supply side of the business first, which means you're too worried about the product you use, how you're going to go about it, how you're going to communicate with your customer, what's the fulfillment of that work going to look like, having the inventory, the shirts, the apparel. You're really focused on the business side of what we're talking about. And what'll happen is, and I said it in the podcast, is like they'll buy the laptop, they'll buy the equipment, they'll buy the ladders, the guards, the machines, the apparel, the hats, all the cool tools and accessories. And then 3, 4, 5, 6 months into the business, they go, man, I can't even sell anybody, or there's nobody in my area that wants this service. They don't want to buy the whatever the product you're trying to do, right? In this case, you're talking about gutter cleaning, gutter guards, right? So you can't even get people to buy from you, then all that stuff was for no reason. So they say for the first bit of the business, especially that first year, you need to be worried more about the demand side. So rather than the supply, more worried about the demand. And in this case, they were talking more about like an online forum or like an online platform, but he referred to like creating a wait list to see if their demand is there before starting the business. That's what I've been talking about, which is in the ebook, which is the proof of concept, which is before you even do anything, before you buy a ladder or you have all your ducks in a row, begin selling the jobs. Create that demand first. Can you go out here on a Saturday and knock doors and sell 2 or 3 jobs? Can you get people, or do you know that there are people in your area that are going to actually use the service, use what you have to offer before you go out and like really make a full-blown business out of this thing? Because what I don't want, and I see it happen so often, I don't want you guys to go spend a bunch of money and buy the ladders and the tools and the pitch hoppers and all the guards and spend all this money on a website, SEO and everything else, and then you don't even have jobs to do. I don't want to put you in a hole if you're thinking about starting this business, when if you just flop the way you think about it, create the demand for the business prior to doing the stuff. So what my simple recommendation would be, and I halfway did this myself, but looking back, I'd certainly do it a little bit different. I'll probably go on to like local forums on Facebook or Nextdoor apps where there's a lot of people that talking about local things, and inside of there create some form of a post that are saying, hey guys, I'm launching a gutter cleaning business. You know, these are the services that I'll offer. Who would be interested in these services? Or who wants these services, or who wants to get on a waiting list for when I launch the business in 3 months? And then you'll get a feel for like people who are interested in the service that you're offering. That's one way. And the other way is as you like just go out and begin knocking on doors and talking to people, just say, hey, look, I'm going to be starting a gutter cleaning business. I start in April, just put it some time off into the future. Once that business starts, would you be interested in the gutter cleaning services? Oh, you would be. Do you mind if I just get you your basic information and then let you know when I launch to see if you might be interested? Hey, while I'm talking to you, what would be, what would you be willing to pay for a service like this? And just get as much information as you can and really prepare yourself for when you decide to launch or go full bore. And if you want to do this a little quicker off the cuff, then just go out and begin selling people and then just scheduling the jobs 2 to 3 weeks out. That way you have plenty of time to figure out whether or not, okay, this is going to be viable and I can make some serious investments, or hey, I spent 3 weeks knocking doors, talking to people, only made 2 sales. Maybe this isn't the thing for me before I spend a bunch of money. And then you can just let those customers know, hey, things happen. I'm not going to actually get the job done. And with these being smaller ticket items, most people are okay with that. Maybe even refer them to somebody in the area that does the cleaning so you don't leave them hanging, right? But anyways, I hope a lot of the information is helpful, man. It just really makes sense to me. It's like, get the demand, do what you have to do to get that proof of concept phase out of the way, that this is actually a business that'll be legitimate and could flourish in your area. Then get all the other stuff and worry about down the back end rather than the reverse, which so many of us do. And then we end up spending a bunch of money for no reason. So thank you as always. If you guys are interested in getting into the industry, click the link below. Check out Gutter Cleaner U. I got the Gutter Cleaning Business Toolkit in there, as well as the ebook. The ebook is inside of the toolkit package, so you don't have to buy both if you want to do that. Check out the Telegram group. Subscribe, comment, like all that good stuff, man. I really appreciate you. And as always, baby, keep it clean.